Okay everyone, this is a quick introduction to solving proportions. We're going to focus on this just to the end of our weekend break here, just to fill it in a positive way, and also it's going to set us up for some really good stuff later on this semester. So that's how important proportions are. Let's get going here. So here we have a typical proportion. Now what is a proportion? Basically you have a fraction or a ratio equal to another fraction or ratio. And our goal is to figure out, hey, what number there would allow both of those fractions or ratios to be the same value? Okay, what number works in there? Well, the way we're going to do it, guys, is real simple. We call it cross multiplying. And here's how you basically do it. You're going to basically go across diagonally, and notice x times 4. X times 4, of course, is simply 4x. And then we're going to cross multiply the other way, and we have 6 times 13. And you could, if you need to, use your calculator, but that's 78. And now, as you can see, I just have a simple equation I can solve. How do I solve when I have 8 times 4? Well, I divide both sides by 4. And with 4 divided by 4, 1x, that's going to equal 78 divided by 4. And I'm just going to do it old school way here. 78 divided by 4. 2 remainder. 2/4 is really 1/2. Or if I add a decimal, 0.5. So my answer is going to be 19 1/2 or 19.5. And again, in my class, you can go ahead and use your calculator for the division, guys. Pause the video if you need to. So here's one more, just slightly more complicated. Notice instead of x, there's a 3x there. Well, we're still going to basically approach it the same way. I'm going to take 3x times 5. That, of course, is 15x. 5 times 3 is 15. And then I'm going to do 2 times 9. And that is 18. So this time, my equation, as you can see right here, is 15x equal to 18. How do we solve that? We're going to divide both sides by 15. Divide both sides by 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1x equal to, and now I have to do 18 divided by 15, which again I'm going to do old school here real quick. See, 3/15, so I'll just add a 0 actually. So 1.2, so my answer is 1.2, or if we leave it as a fraction, 1 1/5. 1 1/5. And so guys, that's basically how you solve proportions. You cross multiply. And we will practice it in class tomorrow, as well as over the next couple of days. So until next time, bye.